Hi, I'm Tim Carter, Ask the Builder, and I'm going to explain to you today how to size residential electric space heaters. And it's really important to know how to do it the right way. And this is video one of a three-part series. And today I'm just going to talk a little bit about sizing the heaters, how you make that calculation. Video number two, we're going to show putting them in. Video number three, you're going to see how beautiful they look once it's all done and the room's done. But right now, just so you know, this is a giant basement remodel project. I'm standing in what's going to be the television room right behind me. Once this is done, it's going to be a huge flat screen TV. There's a bedroom down here. There's a game room. We've got an old speakeasy wet bar and a full bathroom. So it's a big project, and each one of those rooms is going to have its own heater. But right now, let's talk about how to size the heaters for this particular TV room. Step one of the process is we have to measure the room because that tells us how many square feet we have to heat. And there's kind of a general rule of thumb of 20 to 25 BTUs per square foot of area of the room. All right, and that's kind of a funny number. Here's why. You don't need as much heat if the room that you're trying to heat is, say, in southern or middle Georgia, or Arkansas. But if that same room is up in New Hampshire where I am, or maybe northern Minnesota, you're going to need more heat because it's colder outside in the wintertime. So if it's colder where you live or where you're going to put this heater, stay closer to that 25 number, all right? Is what I would recommend if it's really cold, like northern Minnesota. Because my house here that we're working in is so well insulated, I'm going to go with the 20 BTU number. So let me show you how we calculate it. Look here. So I measured the room, and the room is 20 feet long this way, and it's 15 feet wide. So 20 times 15 is 300 square feet. And once again, remember I told you the 20 to 25 BTUs per square foot. We're going to use the 20 number. So 20 times 300 is 6,000 BTUs. So I need 6,000 BTUs to heat this room. And guess what? It just so happens the Runtal wall heaters that we're using, they have one perfectly matched that produces 3,000 BTUs. So we're going to put two of those in. Let me show you where we're going to put them. As I just told you, we're going to put in two of the Runtal electric wall panels. These are beautiful, sleek heaters that attach to the wall. They're very thin. They don't protrude out very much. Wait till you see them. Don't worry, you're going to see that in the next video. But they're going to go on the outside wall. It's really important where to place them. This is the outside wall of this basement here. And we've already put 3/4 of an inch of foam insulation on the concrete wall. We're going to fill this cavity with fiberglass. And you want to put the heat always on an outside wall. You want to flood that wall with the heat. It's super important. Here's what I want to show you. One heater is going to go right here. And we've already put in this blocking for it. So we've got solid blocking. The heaters are going to be about 36 inches wide. We're going to have ours about 4 inches off the floor. And when you get the installation instructions, they show you where to rough out the electric cable for the heater, all right? We're using 120 volt heaters. They have different voltage options. You can look into that when you look at your electric heater manufacturer, or if you go to Runtal, they've got all this information for you. Let me show you where the second heater is going to go. Same exact setup, same exact blocking. So we've got solid blocking to attach the heater to. We know where this is. Here's the 120 volt line. roughed in at the perfect height for this heater. So it's really, really that simple. That's all you need to do to be able to get ready to get your heaters installed so that you can insulate drywall and then get ready to put those bad boys in. If you have any questions, ask about them in the comments. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.